afternoon on alternative therapies for cerebral palsy in particular, the ethical challenges of decision making around experiments that are not going on in our country here in Canada versus those that are going on abroad. What are some of the ethical questions people should be thinking about?
I think it's important for people to realize that there is no medically accepted stem cell that is a treatment right now for cerebral palsy. Any stem cell application in individual with CP is experimental in nature, and it needs to be viewed as such. The next thing to realize is that stem cells come in a variety of different forms, and it's important to understand about the source of the stem cells. And while there is a promise to stem cell treatment, there is also the potential for harm. And from an ethical perspective, any treatment that is not a standard of care should not be associated with substantial costs. There are clinics internationally that are proposing that stem cell treatments are in fact an accepted form of treatment. There are patient testimonials, and often quite emotional, and these clinics are for profit.
What are some of the challenges in your point of view and some of the important parameters in making decisions among legitimate experimental trials?
There are some trials occurring currently in North America with one type of a stem cell called an umbilical cord stem cell, and these are from the individuals themselves, and these are what are called autologous stem cells. And one of the issues with stem cell treatments is the potential for rejection from the individual. And right now, the current state of the art is to try to use autologous forms of stem cells. So again, the reality is that these treatments are much more limited. I would advise anyone who's interested in knowing more about this to go to the NeuroDevNet NCE website to try to get further information on this subject.
So thanks again so much.
Thank you.